Notion buttons just got funky with a small new feature to add click effects to them, or one click effect to be precise. And in this short video, we're going to take a closer look at it. My name is Benny and I help thousands of Notion users on a daily basis to level up their Notion game with professional templates and tutorials. And now let's take a closer look at these new button effects. All right, welcome to my Notion workspace where we are now looking at a small demo page with a bunch of party buttons that I've already prepared. And as you can see, when we click them, they are firing this confetti effect, which you can now add by simply opening the menu for a button, either new ones or existing ones, and then you will find the new click effect option, which wasn't there previously. And we can choose between no effect or the confetti effect. Let's see if they will roll out new effects in the future. I think this is anyway just a small gimmick, maybe to brighten up your day for your button workflows, or of course, for any publicly facing Notion pages. So to give a little surprise to someone who's using any of your Notion pages from the outside. And yeah, I think this is just a gimmick, to be honest. It's fine, but personally, I would prefer that maybe we see a bit more advancement in the functionalities of buttons. So something that I would love to see is being able to use a button automation to move, copy, or duplicate, and even delete a page from a database. I think that would be highly interesting. But for now, I don't want to complain about confetti. It's fine. It's a new addition, and I'll take these any day. The last thing that I want to share with you here is that these effects are only available for buttons on pages and not for the button properties that you can add to databases. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments below what you think about this new feature. This short video is just a small snack to kickstart my video creation for this new year, and I have a lot of new plans and content coming up. So stay tuned, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next one.